Welcome again. We are going to continue with our program Microsoft Office Excel. Now what we are going to do, we are going to see how you can rename and how you can delete the worksheet. As you see here, we have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and sheet 4. Okay, start with how you can rename a worksheet. Right click, okay, the step, you use right click, then see here we have this a pop-up. It shows different option. Here you choose the rename, you click on rename, then you start writing. For example, here let us name this sheet as biology. It is an example. Also you are going to do the same. You click on sheet 2, use right click, rename. Okay, you rename this as ICT. Rename also sheet 4, right click, rename. We rename this as occupation. Okay, occupation. This sheet 3, okay, we have also this sheet 3. Let's see also how can you delete a sheet which is not needed. Right click, you choose delete. Okay, you see our sheet 3 will be removed. Now we are going to see, for example, we choose this sheet ICT. It is named as ICT. We are going to type the text. Now let's see how you can type the text using Microsoft Excel. For example, you type the same text. Let's add also another field, name Z. We need to know sex. We need to know also age. We need also to know department. Okay, sorry, department. Yes. Okay, you see we have how many fields? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 field names or the titles. Okay, here department. You see now text, the text here in the column E and in the column F. Here we are going to see how you can include the width. You come here between the column, use double click. Okay, use double click to make your text in one cell. Now suppose we are going to write the name Arine. Sex is not masculine, it is female. Age, for example, she has 15. She's now in networking technology, NIT. Okay, the second one, let us use Musoke. He's masculine. He has 16 years. He's also in networking, internet technology. We have also Katia. She's female. She has 15 years. She's in networking and internet technology. Okay. We have also Mugabo. Okay, I collect. There's a missing letter. Mugabo. He is masculine. He has 20 years. He's in a BUC, building construction. Now what we are going to do now, we are going to make the number. Okay, we forget to make the number. Yes, type 1. Okay, to type the other numbers, we are going to see how to use what you call autofill option. You come here, you click in number 1, Then here in the right corner, when you make a pointer here in the right corner, you see our pointer will be changed like this. You click and you drag, you drag, good. Now here right side there is image. Okay, you see it is autofill options. You click on this down arrow. Okay, fill series. After click here on fill series, you will see the whole numbers. Okay, let's do it. Okay, you see now we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. You may have the list of many students or many people. No need to write. You write only number 1. You use autofill option. You understand now? Okay, now let's see how you can make a table. Okay, or adding the borders. You select the text. Come here from home. In the font group, you see in the font group we have many tools. You can change font color of your text. You see you can change the font color. Let's change it. You can also adding fill color. You see when you need to add fill color, also it is possible. You may do it. You may also increase the size of your text. Okay, you see. Another, you may also change the font. The font. Let's use, for example, Times New Roman. You know that Times New Roman, that is good for the text. It is a normal font that we have to use for our text. We have also many different tools here. Okay, now to make the borders, you come here on bottom borders, you click on the down arrow. Now we have where option all borders, you click on all borders. Okay, you see your text now it is bordered. Let's enclose the width. Okay, you come here, you use double click. Come here also double click. Yeah. Okay, clap. I think that you understand. Now the text you have already, you have a table, you have a good table. So when you're going to type the list or the text where you need the tables, you have to use Microsoft Excel. This is a good program to make the tables or to use when you need to make the calculations. Thank you very much. See you next.